Follow these steps to install your Greenlite Engage cellular antenna in your model 3589 vending machine.
Before you start the process, make sure that your machine is powered off.
Pop off the cover here, then unscrew and remove the nut from the bottom of the antenna. Hold on to the nut while you run the antenna wires down through the top of the cabinet. Place the antenna on the top. Now take the nut and run the wires through it so you can screw it in the cabinet, under the antenna here, securing it in place.
Connect to the harness to the left or right of your coin mechanism.
Now use zip ties to tidy up the harnesses so they do not disrupt the machine operation. Now turn your machine on to boot up your device.